If you want to add a page count in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to insert the total number of pages into your document so you can create professional reports, assignments, manuals, or any document that needs automatic page numbering. This is a simple feature, but it's really useful once you know where to find it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center loads, look at the left side under Create. From there, click Write a Document if you want to start a new document. If you already have a file open, you can just use your existing document instead. The great thing about this method is that it works whether you are making a fresh document or editing one that's already in progress. Now that your Writer document is open, you need to decide where you want the page count to appear. In most cases, this is added in the header or the footer because that is the cleanest and most professional place to display it. So click inside the header area or the footer area of your document. If your header or footer is not visible yet, you may need to enable it first depending on your document layout. Once your cursor is active in that area, you're ready for the next step. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Hover over or click Field. Then from the field options, select Page Count. This tells LibreOffice to automatically insert the total number of pages in the document. The page count will now appear exactly where your cursor was placed in the header or footer. And that's really all there is to it. LibreOffice will automatically calculate the total page count for you, which means you do not have to update anything manually if the document grows or shrinks later. If you add more text and the document goes from 3 pages to 5 pages, the page count will update on its own. That's what makes this feature so helpful for long documents and professional formatting. If you want, you can also combine the page count with a page number, so your footer shows something like page 1 of 10. That format is especially useful for reports, student papers, and printed guides. But for now, if your goal was simply to add the total page count, you've already done it. Let's quickly recap. Open LibreOffice, open or create your Writer document, click inside the header or footer, then go to Insert, Field, and Page Count. After that, the total number of pages will appear in your document automatically. It's fast, easy, and saves a lot of time when you need polished formatting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.